Be ready and start. This special leave petition has been filed against the judgment and order dated 24th April 2008, passed in writ petition number 28 of 2026 by the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, by which the writ petition against the order of dismissal of the petitioner's application and successive appeals under the Act to Information Act 2025 has been dismissed. Stop. In the said petition, the direction was sought by the petitioner to the respondent number 1 to provide information as asked by him vide his application dated 15th November 2004 from the respondent number 4, a judicial officer, as for what reasons the respondent number 4 had decided to miscellaneous appeal dishonestly. Stop. Next stanza. The facts and circumstances giving rise to this case are that the petitioner claimed to be in exclusive possession of the land in respect of what civil suit number 810 of 2000 was filed before additional civil judge Ranga district, praying for perpetual injunction by Dr. Rao against the petitioner and another from entering into the suit. Land. Stop. Application filed for interim relief in the said suit stood dismissed. Stop. Being aggrieved, the plaintiff therein preferred CMA number 180 of 2000 and the same was also dismissed. Stop. Two other suits were filed in respect of the same property, impleading the petitioner also as the defendant. Stop. In one of the suits, in that OS number 875 within bracket 3 of 2003, the trial court granted temporary injunction against the petitioner. Stop. Being aggrieved, petitioner preferred the CMA number 64 of 2003, which was dismissed by the appellate court. Respondent number 4, wide order dated 10th August 2004. Next stanza. Petitioner filed an application dated 15th November 2004 under section 6 of the RTI Act before the administrative officer cum assistant state public information officer within bracket respondent number 1, seeking information to the queries mentioned therein. Stop. The said application was rejected. Wide order dated 23rd November 2004 and an appeal against the said order was also dismissed. Wide order dated 20th January 2005. Stop. Second appeal against the said order was also dismissed by the Andhra Pradesh State Information Commission. Wide order. Stop. The petitioner challenged the said order before the High Court, seeking a direction to the respondent number 1 to furnish the required information immediately. Stop and over.
अगर आपको कोई भी वर्ड डिफ़िकल्ट लगे उसकी आउटलाइन के लिए या किसी भी तरह की कन्फ्यूज़न के लिए आप नीचे कमेंट करें। थैंक यू।